Hello everyone and welcome back to the Car Goes channel. This right here is my 2005 CL55, but this right here is what my CL55 should look like. This is my friend Elvin's CL55, hard parked on bags, black, with his own invention and creation on the headlights right here, aftermarket grille, these beautiful wheels, and again the whole car is super well rounded. Let's get Elvin here and ask him what he did to the car. Hello Elvin, say hello to the Car Goes crew.
How's it going, Car Goes?
I see you being respectful to the people around you, wearing a mask. That's a good thing. And let me ask you about your car. Which year is it, first of all, and which model?
It's a 2003 W215 CL55AMG.
So Elvin, I see you've done a few things to the car. It looks absolutely stock, not. But let's start with the exterior. First of all, I can see the air suspension because the car is slammed.
Yeah.
Did you do that yourself?
I did it all myself. Pulled out of the entire ABC system, so this one's completely gutted. I put yellow speed airbags in it and airlift management in there.
Awesome. And what are the wheels that it's riding on?
It's riding on 20-inch black diamond rims.
20-inch black diamond rims. I gotta take notes for this because when I build my car I wanted to have this stance and this presence. Let's go around. I see the bumper is the original bumper of the car, but you have a lip installed.
Yep, it's a little banged up right now, but it is an aftermarket lip for this model car.
Awesome. And talk to me about those headlights. They look to be the original headlights, but there's something going on with them.
Yeah, I just wanted to give it a different look that nobody has, you know, so I had some extra wrap laying around at the house and decided to give it some eyelids, give it a more aggressive look.
Awesome. It does look more aggressive, and it follows the lines of the grille, and you can see all the lights are visible, so it's not illegal. But it looks kind of cool and unique. I see you kept the V8 compressor badges. Let's walk around. We see that the side skirts are the original. I still can't get over that whole stance thing. You have a lip spoiler on the trunk. Is that did the car come with it?
No, the car came out completely blank and I added the lip.
Very nice. Speaking of the air suspension, how does your setup look in the trunk? Because I know people do crazy stuff with the setups in for the air suspension.
Ooh. I run a dual tank setup with dual 444C compressors.
Yeah, awesome. And the airlift management,
yep.
Very nice. That would look great if you put like a screen on it.
Yeah,
But
actually,
it's gonna get
I have
hot,
a
right?
cover for it for shows and stuff like this, but you know, for long drives and stuff like this, I like to have everything out just so something happens with it, I can go in and fix it if it need be. But
that is awesome.
This has pretty much been installed in the car probably for about 1.5 years now with 0 issues.
That is great.
So it
and you
runs
said
good.
Yellow
Yep,
bags,
yellow
right?
speed. I didn't want to be too flashy and put too many stickers on the car.
No, the car looks great without the stickers.
Yeah.
And it's nice and low-key, but you know, stealthy stance.
That's what I like about it. So yeah, like I said, the yellow speed is for the airbags that I put in here, and they were custom made at that time, but I think since then they started manufacturing for people who asked for it, and they have the specs for it now.
Have you done anything to your exhaust so far?
Pretty much a stock exhaust. We deleted the resonators on this, so it's got a little bit of throaty sound to the exhaust. Engine wise, it's got a smaller pulley, 77mm pulley.
Let's look under the hood.
A tune.
All right, so we see a little color accents happening over here, and you said 77 millimeter pulley.
Yep, 77 millimeter pulley matched with a Race IQ tune. So highly recommend those guys. They know their stuff.
Great. And there was modification done to your hydraulic pump when you took the hydraulic struts and put the airbags. What did you do exactly to it?
Actually, you know, a lot of stuff was done. Like I said, the entire ABC was deleted, took off the reservoir here, and adapted a external reservoir and a different power steering pump from a W220 chassis.
Any cooling mods?
Just a split cooling, and then I also replaced the intercooler pump. So most of the time this engine is, the intake air temperatures running about 100 degrees Fahrenheit. You know, so it's not mixing with the coolant, which usually runs at about 180, 190, 200, depending on how hard and how hot it is. So the split cooling mod works on this car real good.
Awesome. Have you done anything to the inside of it?
Not really. It's all factory. I have, you know, I wrapped the interior myself with some carbon fiber. It's not perfect,
yeah, I guess it looks good.
You know, little bit of a modern look on the car.
Yeah, I can see the airlift management system right there. One thing many people don't go into when talking about their cars is how much they paid for the car and how much they invested in it. And I think for people it's good to know what they're getting themselves into it, because with these AMG cars and the ABC suspension, that's actually a headache, and if it fails, each strut costs $1,700. You told me that yours was completely stock and fully functional when you got it. So what made you change it?
Well, I saw a couple cars out there. We'll leave them nameless. I'll let you do the research. But I fell in love with this body style. They had it air ride out too. So I bought the car with the intent to slam it onto the ground.
Awesome.
Yeah, the total cost that was put into the car is probably around 20 grand.
Okay, so that includes the car and the airbags,
including the car and the bags,
the modifications. So if you guys want to do a build like this, Elvin is actually pretty social, so you can find him on Instagram at Elvin Herrera, and you can ask him a question. But don't forget to follow, you know, because you can't ask questions without following. It's rude. Right, Elvin, thank you so very much for your time, and thank you for showing us your beautiful build of the CL55.
You're welcome.
I can't wait to start a little more work on that car back there. So if you guys want to see more videos, and you have to subscribe, don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Me and Elvin, we're gonna go around because we're in Carmel for Car Week that has been canceled, but we uncanceled it. So if you haven't seen the previous video, that'll be our adventures in Car Week, cruising down to Carmel and Monterey. See you guys in the next video. Have a great day. Bye. And if you guys have a cool car somewhere in the Southern California area and you wanna be on a video, shoot me an email at carghostny@gmail.com, and I'll be more than happy to see your car and hear your story.